Hello everyone, welcome to our first video. In this fifth video we'll be showing you guys how we are tagging our pigs. So we tag our pigs to know which one is which. So as you can see, I'm trying to align the tags to make sure that they are aligned. And then in this first tag I made a mistake of placing the tag the opposite way. So when you tag them, just be careful to not pierce through the veins. So if you tag it well, there shouldn't be any blood. So as you can see, there's no blood that came out, but the tags were placed the opposite way. Here is another one where we are also tagging another pig. In this one, we tagged it in the right direction. Just make sure that you have at least two people that can help hold the pig down while you tag it. As you know, pigs are very strong and they will do everything to free themselves. So just make sure to have another person with you. So here we place the tag so that it's visible, so that we can know the ID of the pig, and then from there we can take records such as the breed, the weight, the origin of the pigs and all that. So this is our first video. If you enjoyed the video, please comment, like and subscribe, and let us know what you think about this video or pig, the rooms, and any feedback. Thank you. Okay, bye bye.